back to the channel. We're painting again, just like always. I've got my paint. I've got all the things that I want to paint on. I've got the excitement that I need because you know what? You gotta have, when you want to paint, you gotta get all this stuff out. You gotta mix up all your paint. You gotta want to paint. You gotta decide what you're gonna paint on. You gotta have a little bit of inspiration. And I have all of that today, times a million. Pardon me. So I looked outside. Oh, that is really beautiful, especially with the trees and the cracks in the ice. But I was thinking, nope, this is my inspiration right here. I love the sapphire in this. I love kind of the jewel tone of my shirt. I love the fish in the picture. I love to fish. And by the way, stay on this channel because I'm going to be taking you on these journeys with me. We're not just going to be painting it here. We're going to be going out and looking for inspiration and looking through some of our old pictures that we like. Not only does it make me think about fishing, which is the other thing I really love besides painting, but it makes me want to paint it. And so let's start and let's just get underway and you know, see what we can make. I don't know. You've probably never seen a crazy channel like this before, but it's time to let my real self out there. All right. So first of all, I've got this record by Freddie Hart. I don't recognize any of the songs on it. I got it for 25 cents at the garage sale. It's kind of scratched up on the other side. So I covered that one, and I'm going to use this acrylic paint, and I'm just going to paint pour on it. So I've got paint here. I've got marbles because I was thinking, you know what I could do? I could try out some marbles. You've seen me do things with marbles before, and I was using the glass marbles. Here's some pictures right here of what I've done before using marbles. And you can see these marbles don't go through very well. They're not great. I don't know about you, but I watch a lot of other painting channels to see what they do and how they do it, especially when I was starting out. But now I watch for ideas and I listen through the whole thing because I'm hoping to get a little tidbit or a nugget that they drop. And one of the nuggets somebody dropped was the glass marbles don't roll as well. You need heavier marbles. So you know what? I went right on Amazon and I bought heavier marbles. So first we're going to put down some paint. We're going to put down, this is called Inky Blue by Color to Go. And it does look inky blue. This is actually one of my favorite colors that they make. So let's put this on first. And when I spin it, it's going to spin this paint off. Okay, first color down is going to be Phthalo Blue by Winsor. And this is just a really, really beautiful, deep color. So let me put this down first. And I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to keep with one of the things I've been doing, which I call it the X pour. It's just like this X that you make. So I'm going to just make my X. Then when the marble runs through it, I think that'll be beautiful. Okay, next up is Liquitex Diox Purple. Now, all of these colors, when they stack on top of each other, some peek through and show through. Sometimes colors will blend. So you're not really sure what you're getting until the moment your painting comes out. And I always say they just like to make themselves. These paintings like to become what they're going to become. You just can't control it enough. Maybe other people can, but I'm not that good. All right, so all my paints are the same consistency. Okay, this one is Indigo Waves, it's called. Indigo Waves by this little piggy. All right, and next up we have Tail Feather by this little piggy. I can't see how this is going to make what I'm hoping for, but I'm just hoping that sapphire blue comes out in this, that indigo waves, and that these colors come together and make what I want. Okay, and we're back to the Liquitex purple, Diox purple. Okay, and then I've got a little bit of Golden's Interference Violet, so we're going to put that on. All right, and then I gotta put a little more Diox purple on it because that's what the cell activator is gonna ride on. Nice. Look at that. That is beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. All right, then let's see. We're going to put our cell activator down next. All right, so I've got that here. Now what I did, I mixed the cell activator with some of the Diox purple. And so I'm going to put this on the back of my palette knife and then swipe. Instead of a palette knife, I think I'm going to use a playing card. And I'm just going to rip this card in half. So we're just going to do half the card, and we're just going to go across like this. So that's my goal. All right, so let's put a little bit on. We don't need all the fancy knives. We can just put a little bit on our card here. All right, and here we go. Oh, we're going to do the ace. Here we go. Okay, let me get this all ready. Start right here and come across. Ooh, look at that. That is just beautiful. As usual. Look at that. Wow. Look at the colors coming up on that. Gorgeous. All right, so now we're going to go the other way. So we're going to need some more cell activator. We're going to put some more on our card here. We'll do some more of the pink. Or the, I don't know what I'm going to call it. Is it pink? I don't know. Okay. All right, we're going to go the other way. I think what I'm going to do, though, is I think I'm just going to start right here and go that way like that. Not go across the middle this time. Ready? Okay. And then same card. Actually, I think I'll get a new card. We're going to do the other side. Oh, the 8 of diamonds. Here we go. 8 of diamonds. All right. Let's put this one on. Okay. Just like that. And then we're going to let those colors start coming up before we start really spinning. Wow, I've got bigger cells here than I do here, but I still think I'm just going to leave it like that. I think that's beautiful. Let's pop any bubbles that we have on here. Go this way a little more so you can see it better. Go this way a little more. Got a couple bubbles, not many. Oh, I do see a few more. Marble, marble. I think I want to start it right here. It's on. And here we go. We're going to tilt and see what happens. Oh my gosh, here we go. Okay, let's start tilting. Ooh. Oh, it's stuck. Right through that blue there. Oh, that is so beautiful. I really would like to go back through there. I think they're right about the marble. This one seems to be going much better. Come on, marble. Go this way. And let's go off. Oh, beautiful. I feel like maybe we could have gone more over here, but I didn't really want to because when I start to spin it, that's going to come off anyway. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. So we're going to move our pattern back to the middle before we start to spin. Give you a wide angle so you can see. This up to scale, right? It's just a record. It looks bigger in that close-up. Look at that. Oh, these colors are so beautiful. Okay, here we go. Oh, boy, that is beautiful. Gorgeous. Now we have a couple colors right here that I think I'd like to just kind of, maybe just do that with it. Maybe just a little bit of a, maybe I like that better. That I like. All right. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, let's go again. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. A little more tilting. Let's see if we can just move this off right here. Not like that. This is just absolutely beautiful. But it needs some more spinning to get it over here. So we're going to kind of move it out a little bit. And that will help the paint stretch. See how it's stretching over here now? That's what we want. This is just absolutely stunning. I'm just using a kitchen torch. Just be careful you don't get too close and burn your project. Okay, let's keep going. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. All right, I'm going to take it over to the close-up camera so we can really get a final look at it. Let me get that over here. Look at how this came out. Isn't this just spectacular and stunning? Look at that. All of the gorgeous colors. I love how the marble rolled through it, what it did. Look at that. Hey, I want to thank you for joining me today. There's a lot of news out there. There's a lot of voices, a lot of stuff we can't do anything about. I think this is a crazy time in history, but what we can do is paint or watch painting. So I hope to see you in the next episode. You take care. Here comes the flyover right now. Bye.